Uh-oh, Hank. What happened? What happened, Hanky? Huh? Uh-oh. Uh-oh. Oh dear, you've had a bad afternoon. Are you okay?
Somebody did that. Who did that? Who made that mess? Was it you, Chico? Rocco? Rocco, who did that?
What is that, lady? What did you eat? What is that? Don't hide it with your fat. What in the world? Did you try to get into Twix?
What's this? Did you get the cookie off the table? Charlie, what's this? Hmm? What is this? What's that?
So what did you do? You got into the dump, and then you got the tie wrapped around your neck, so we caught you in the dump, and you can't escape.
Well,
Toad. Toad. Look at me, Toad. Who did this? Who threw this down? Toby. Toby, look at me. You did it.
We have a naughty dog. She ate tortillas off the counter. Remy. What did you do? Did you get food off the counter? Did you get food off the counter?
Come here. Come here. Right here. Right here. Come here. Come here. What did you do? Come here. Come here.
that is Pete. And who did it? You did it? Nope. You did it.
Did you do this? Mercy, did you get this off the kitchen cabinet?
Did you do this, Misha? Maybe. Did you do this, Maddie?
Rocco, what did you do? Look at me. Did you tear my trash up on the porch?
My tangerine is missing. Where is it? Did you do it, Tiger? Tiger, look at me when I'm talking to you. Did you eat my tangerine?
What'd you do? What'd you do to my boot? Why did you chew up my boot? Archer?
Mia. Mia. Did you do this? Did you get this out of the garbage? Mia. Mia, did you do this? Did you do this? Mia, look at me. Did you do this?
Who did this? Did you do this?
Did you do that inside? Where are you going? Where are you going? You do that? Why are you running?
Cyrus? Who took the socks? Did you take the dirty socks?
Bella, what did you do?
Bella, no.
What did you do? Okay, stop.
Nino. What is this? What is that? Nino. Did you get into the trash? What is that? Look, Agnes didn't get into the trash. She's not sad. Who got in the trash? Huh? Zane, come here. Zane. Did you get in the trash, Gretchen?
What's that? What is that? Oh, you don't want to look at me now? You're guilty, huh? Look what you did.
Boots. Did you eat my shoe? Did you do this? Did you do this? Hey, did you do this?
Ready? Tiger. What did you do? What's this? Did you pee?
What did you do? Were you supposed to chew that? Molly. Molly.
Who could have done this other than this doggy? What have you done?
Did you tear up your bed? Did you do this, Huck? Where are you going? Are you trying to hide from me? Why are you hiding?
Who did this? Who got in the trash? Who looks guilty? Odie? Did you do this? Faith? Did you do this?
So, Sasha, did you do this? Did you chew my... Okay. Bentley, did you do this? Nesta, did you do this? What about you, Tara? Tara, did you do this? So you two are the guilty ones.
Here it is all over everything. And there's Zeus. Hey, Rocket, did you do this? Did you do that? Did you eat my purse?
Oh yeah? You're just gonna sleep right there? What did you do? I take a nap and you destroy the couch?
Hey, what are you doing? Did you eat these? Who did this? Who did this? Was it you? Huh?
Were you in my kitchen? Did you go in Mama's kitchen? Cole, were you in Mama's kitchen? Naughty. Naughty.
Coming home for dinner. Mess everywhere. Avery, can you tell me who made this mess? Avery, come here. Come here. Avery, can you tell me who made this mess?
Which one of you girls ate this whole container of amoxicillin and puked everywhere? Oh, is it you over there? Oh, I think I found a culprit.
Can somebody tell me who ate this? Any of you tell me who ate this? Huh? Who ate this? Did you eat it, Cleo?
Who did this? Who made this awful mess? Was it you? Ugh, what a mess.
Junebug, who got the cookie? Who got the cookie? Did you get on the table and get the cookie?
Meatball? Did you do this?
Did you chew the picture frame, Noah? Noah? Was that you who ate the picture frame? Is it Blazer? Blazer, was it you?
Zorro, who did all of this? Who did all of this? He did this?
Oh my god, are you serious? Really? Really? This is something you would think the kids would do. Look at this. And look at this culprit.